ICONICS is a software development company that produces software for the industrial automation and building controls market. We have over 250,000 installations worldwide, and we leverage the Microsoft platform to deliver our customers 360-degree visibility of their operation. We work with companies in the building controls area, having done projects such as Schiphol Airport, and recently Heathrow Terminal 5, completely controlled with the Windows 2008 platform using WPF technology. We're in a number of other industries as well, the entertainment, doing ride and show control systems, on the manufacturing of drugs and the manufacturing of food products. The characteristics of our industry is that it's costing more and more money to develop these applications. In the past, we had to write a lot of the graphics for visualizing these industrial and building control applications. It was a lot of work. So reducing the amount of time in developing the application is very critical. The Microsoft tools, including .NET 3.5, Windows Presentation Foundation, Windows Communications Foundation, and Windows Workflow, have helped us in producing products that actually reduce the amount of engineering time it takes to create these applications by 40%.
With previous versions of our product, which were based on C++ and ActiveX and COM, GDI for the graphics, we were basically reaching a limit of what we could do with those technologies. We were having customer demands for new features that we were finding it just wasn't practical to implement in those technologies. In this latest version of our product, we're utilizing Windows Presentation Foundation, Windows Communication Foundation, and other key aspects of Windows Vista, for example, the sidebar gadgets, search and organize. So by moving forward with things like WPF, Windows Presentation Foundation, and WCF for communication, using C# and .NET 3.5, we found we were able to implement these new features that customers were asking for while still maintaining all the features that we had in our previous product, which we were able to reproduce much more quickly utilizing the new technologies. By utilizing things like Windows Presentation Foundation, we're able to do very advanced graphical features, things that we haven't been able to do before in previous generations of our product. Specifically, 3D is a major new feature in our application, and this provides a much richer user experience to our customers.
With 64-bit and Windows Vista and Windows Server 2008, we've gotten to take advantage of the performance capabilities and the hardware acceleration and the fact that we don't have any headroom problems and address space problems any longer. We simply write our applications in C# and things just work.
I think one of the key factors in going with the latest technologies has been to increase the longevity of our product. By utilizing the latest technologies like WPF and WCF, Windows Vista, we're positioning ourselves as a cutting-edge technology. It saves us time and allows us to focus on exactly the features that we need to implement for our customers. And this helps the lifespan of the product last well into the future.